The landscapes of Jordan are quite different from any other place in the world. 90% of its territory is occupied by deserts and semi-deserts. The most remarkable one is Wadi Rum, a place that's remained untouched by time and civilizations. During the thousands of years that this place has been into existence, it has been exposed to the wind and sun that created rocks, arches, and canyons of the most extraordinary forms. Over 20,000 inscriptions have been documented inside of Wadi Rum, tracing human existence back some 12,000 years ago in the very same spot. Even today, several nomadic Bedouin tribes call this place their home. One of the things you must do when you visit Wadi Rum is to definitely take a jeep tour. It's a wonderful way to explore the desert landscapes, graffitis, and temples built by civilizations that had once inhabited Wadi Rum.
Just made a quick stop for some authentic Bedouin tea inside the tent, inside Wadi Rum. It's getting cold, so the tea is a perfect way to keep yourself warm. My favorite new drink.
Just arrived at our camp in Wadi Rum, and it's a really nice setup, and I'm going to quickly show you what our room, not a room exactly, but what our tent looks like. So come on in, let me show you. It's a tent, it's insulated, it's got lots and lots of blankets because it's winter and it's really cold right now in Wadi Rum. Zarb, which is similar to a barbecue or a roast, is one of the most beautiful and delicious treasures of the Bedouin culture. For centuries, the Bedouins in the whole of the Arabian Peninsula cooked their food underground in earth ovens. This method is extremely popular due to its lack of equipment fitting the nomadic lifestyle of the Bedouins. The meat is marinated with a blend of spices and is placed on a tier tray with cut vegetables. Then the tray is placed into an underground oven that has been preheated an hour before. The oven is then covered with a few layers of blankets to hold in the heat, and finally the sand is placed over the oven. After 4 hours, the tray is lifted out and the meal is served. The result is the most tender and juiciest meat I have ever tasted. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you with a brand new video next time. Bye.